All right, we're at the Ice Age Trail, a part of it in Hartland. Oh, all dogs must be leashed.
How come you're not on the leash?
You forgot to bring your leash, huh?
Yeah. I must have forgotten it.
Off in the distance, I hear a chainsaw, so this could get interesting. This is cool. I like this forest. It's like we're just kind of in the middle of nowhere.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty around here. Yep, we're getting closer to the chainsaw. It's like Fright Fest in here.
Kind of chainsaw.
Aw, then what kind of chainsaw is it? Not a scary monster?
No.
Aw, darn. Alright, well, if we find anything cool, I hear it. If I find anything cool, if we see anything neat, if we run into the chainsaw, we'll let you know. Oh, I see a rabbit.
Me
Look
too.
straight down the path. Oh, there he goes. Hippity hopping away.
You're too loud.
Oh.
I think I see a deer.
Huh?
I think I see a deer.
You see a deer?
I do.
Where? Stop. Where?
Right there. No.
That's not a deer. Those are logs.
Logs.
Well, you never know. That would be cool. I've never seen one like that close when we're on a walk. In your backyard, yeah. From inside, but... Yep. There's the deer. Ow.